In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a page vertically in Canva. Flipping something vertically in Canva is really just flipping an element, like an image or graphic, upside down. This is useful if you want a mirrored look, or you're adjusting layouts for things like posters, social media graphics, or print designs. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Canva design. First, open your design in Canva. You can use any existing project or start a new one with a blank template. Once your design is open on the screen, look at the page and find the specific image or element you want to flip. This might be a photo, a graphic, or even a group of objects. Now, click directly on that image. When you click it, you'll know it's selected because a bounding box with little handles should appear around it. If nothing appears, try clicking again or zooming in a bit to make sure you're selecting the right item. This selection step is important because Canva will only flip the element that's currently highlighted. With your image selected, look at the toolbar that appears above the design area. Near the top of the screen, you should see different options like Edit Image, Crop, and more. Among these options, find the one labeled Flip. Go ahead and click on Flip. If you don't see it right away, make sure the element is still selected, or try expanding your window so the full toolbar is visible. After you click Flip, Canva will show you two choices: Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Since we want to flip the page content vertically, choose the option that says Flip Vertical. Click on Flip Vertical, and you will immediately see your selected image turn upside down, as if it's been flipped along a horizontal axis. Take a moment to check your design after flipping. Make sure the new orientation works with your layout, text, and other elements. You can always press undo if you don't like how it looks, or repeat the same steps to flip it back. And that's all you need to do. By clicking on the image, selecting Flip from the top toolbar, and then choosing Flip Vertical, you can quickly flip elements vertically in Canva,